Good morning, Austria. We have 42 hours of a bus drive behind us and 4 minutes of an exciting trek right in front of us. We have Will Longdon, the team manager of Madison Saracen, riding a man on carpenter's bike today to follow me. And so that's going to be a little team manager's race with my advantage that he's not allowed to pass me. And we have a whole new top section waiting for us. And as you see, I'm shaking a little bit because I'm nervous. So should we hit it?
Yeah, let's go.
All right then. Look at the view. But that's it for looking at the view, because now I need to focus. And there we go. Are you ready?
Go, 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 go!
Okay, so I should actually shut up a little bit up here because the track is full of cow shit and I don't want my friends to think that I'm not brushing my teeth. And then we're going, oh, first crash almost in the first turn, because this dirt here is rock hard and bone dry and quite slippery. So going into this crazy off-camber section here and then keeping it low on those first jumps into the next off-camber. Blind jump coming up. Very important to know where you're going. And now first artificial rock garden. Slid out in there. Oh. All right, let's see if I can remember where this is going. Oh no, wrong line choice. Now going way too fast into this rock garden. Another crazy off-camber section, but that went actually quite well. Better than I thought it would. But we're already in the next artificial rock garden now. I'm gonna take that outside here because there's so much loose gravel on the inside. Okay, and another pretty bad off-camber section. And now we're going into the old school track here in the woods. Gonna be some more roots. They added this chicane here to take some speed out. And now I just have to let it flow a bit and save some energy because we have some pretty crazy stuff coming up. Okay, good thing these roots are dry because now I need to get all the speed that I can. Not allowed to touch my brakes anymore because of... Wow, that was a bit short. Wow! All right, once again short. If anything could ever feel this real forever. Yeah! If anything could ever be this good again. Wow! Way too far. You know, the riders will have to keep these jumps low, but I can actually just let it fly. You have to be quite precise on these so that you can keep your momentum. Going into another gnarly rock garden here. And very important that your suspension is set up right. And then going into these wall rides here, lots of G-forces. One year at the World Championships I took off my tires from the rim. Another blind jump. Good thing I walked it. And now a new really tricky route section off camber. Took the men's line and made it.
Oops. I guess I forgot the transfer. Right, it's good. I'm good. Better catch Claudio.
So let me try the trickiest line here. Let's see if I can deal with it. No, I couldn't. That was completely wrong. Sorry about that. Okay, we gotta let it go. Pin it. Another rock garden coming up. Drop, and I'll try this to take the straight line through the rocks. Yes, that works. Now I gotta be very precise on this berm so I can keep the speed for this step up. Into the brake bumps. And the roughest bit coming up right here. All right, I think I have something left in my tank to clear this jump here. And then into the finish bit. I believe I can fly. Whoa! What up? Wow! This is so fast. Don't touch the brakes. Finish jump coming up. Whoa! All right. Wow, that was a pretty crazy ride. I survived though. So now it's up to the fast guys. Let them do their job. You can see it live on redbull.com/bike. I need some air. Where's Wildo? Oh, you crashed.
I forgot about the transfer.